Yeah, it worked. And now it isn't. Hello guys, this is Munna Sheikh from Sketch8's YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to enable and disable notification sounds for apps and games easily by using checkboxes. So now I'm going to add two checkboxes and a single button on the screen, and the logic is when I tap the button, the sound should play if the checkbox on is checked, and or else if the checkbox 2, which means off checkbox, is turned on, then even if I tap the button, the sound should not be played. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna add two checkboxes now, as I said, and a button here, and I'm going to add sound from the sound library. To add the sound, just go to the top right corner and select the three dot menu and go to the sound section, and sorry, I've already added the sound. Now I want to add a new sound here. Just tap the plus button and just tap this block here. So now it should automatically redirect to your file manager, and from here you should choose the file. So I'm on my device internal storage ringtones folder, so I'm gonna select this as the notification sound. So I want to add this sound to my library, and if you want to add this sound to your collection to avoid delays on your project, then just check the add to my collection box and just save it. For now I'm going to just save it. I don't want it on my collection for now. So if you want to see your collection of sounds, then you should just go to the my collection tab over here. So here there are four sounds which I've added to my own collection here. And now I'm going back to the main menu, and I'm gonna just save the process till now. So it should take a little time to import the sound. Till then, if you haven't liked the video, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just tap the subscribe button with the bell icon. So now I'm going to save this project, and now I'm going to edit the checkboxes. So I'm renaming the checkbox to on, and I'm increasing the text size to 25 and text style to bold, and the gravity of the checkbox center horizontal and center vertical. And now the same applies to the off checkbox. Now one moment, I haven't changed the IDs of both, so I'm changing the IDs to off checkbox and this one to on checkbox. Now the same applies here. Text style bold, text size 25, and the text to off. So this is a case of multiple checkboxes. If you want a single one, you can do this, but I wanted to make it a little complex. I want to try it a little complex one, so I gone for two checkboxes to enable and disable the sounds. So now so I think that's it for the checkboxes. Now let's edit the button. So I'm changing the ID of the button to play btn, which means button, and the text style to bold, text size to 20, and the text to play sound. Now I'm gonna resave this again, and now I'm going to the event. Sorry, one moment. First you need to you need to initiate the load sounds when the app is just started. So for this, go to the event section and go to the activity section and just select the on create activity. So what this means is this activity is runs when the app is just started. So just click the on create event and now add a variable here. One moment, sorry. So to import and play the songs, you need to import sorry you need to add a number variable. So this is the sketchware syntax for playing sound pool components. So for now I'm going to add a variable called sounds. One moment, and go to the component, and now you should add the sound pool component. So when you go to the component section, you'll see two different components called media player and sound pool for playing mp3 files or music files. So these two components are different from each other. Sound pool component is used for the shorter or lesser time mp3 files or music files, and while media player component is used for larger files like mp3 files for songs or as a music player. So for now I just want the sound pool component as I'm using just a 3 seconds sound file. So I'm selecting the sound pool component and I'm renaming it to sound add. So here now just drag the sound id sound pool load and the sound pool create maximum stream count. So here the create maximum stream count means the maximum number of mp3 files or music files you want to import. So for now I only want one, and the sound pool component sound load wow sound. So just drag this here, and to load this sound drag the set number variable to block and just add here, select the number variable, and also I want the on checkbox on as default. Add this, and I'm turning off the off checkbox at the start. So now when the app is just started, the app all initiates the sound pool component and loads the notification sound which I selected and sets the on checkbox as true and the off checkbox as false. Now I'm going to go back, and now the major part of logic section should be given. So this is the event of on check change of on checkbox. So what should happen when the on checkbox is clicked or just the check is just changed? So for now I need the off checkbox should be turned off when the on checkbox is, sorry, one moment, okay, when the on checkbox is checked, the off checkbox should be automatically turned off. So for this now logic is if checkbox on is checked, checkbox off should be checked false, which means off. Go to back and do the same. Go to the off checkbox event section and select the on checked change event and do the same. Drag the if block here, go to view section and drag the set checked and get checked. Now we should select the off checkbox and select the on checkbox here. Go to the okay. Now the buttons logic. Go to the button and select the on click event. And now we should drag a if else block here and drag the get checked box. If the on checkbox is checked, then stream id sound pool play sound id. And now sound pool. So at the beginning we've given a number variable at the on create event. So if you have one sound component is to imported, then the stream count would be 1, the stream id would be 1. So select the stream id 1 if you have one, or if the stream id means the particular song which you want to play or the particular sound which you want to play. So I'm going to back to the set number variable, and now I'm gonna drag this here, selecting the sound component here and place sound 1 here. The after the place means sorry, so this means the sound should be repeated how many times when the button is tapped. So I want the sound to be repeated 2 times after the button has been clicked. So this is how it works. Now let's go back and save this, and I'm hitting the run button. So if you like the video, just click the like button, comment below if you have any queries, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So I'm going to install the app now. Now opening the app, and let's see if it works now. So I'm tapping the play sound button here. So yeah, it worked. And now it isn't. So this is working. Hooray! And now nothing. So this is how it works. If you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just please subscribe to it for more useful sketchware videos. That's it for today. Goodbye, tata, see you in the next video.